Hi, this is John with WTI. And recently I wanted to get a good controller so I could go anywhere with my laptop and I just don't need no dongle, don't need no wire connection. And this Xbox controller is just came clutch. I'm gonna tell you why. First, great connection. The connection was really snappy and fast to my computer, and the portability is great. The is really ergonomic. The color palette is awesome, and you can just put this in my bag, and it's just gonna be nice. The battery life is pretty good, so you can have hours and hours of playing your games in your computer or any of your consoles, and it's just gonna do the job perfectly. Triggers, the sensation is better, is the best one that you could get, in my opinion. And overall, you got all the good sensations. You can actually has a port this all these ports, and it has a Type C port that you can connect it there. And it's gonna charge your controller. So if you're looking for portability, reliability, and a great control, this guy's here is great. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.